Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever you may be, this is Selina here, welcoming you to another practice from the ocean's edge. So a beautiful meditation which can help us get into complete presence with our physical body, and thus then also with our mind, is the following. Find your seated position where you are most comfortable. So either on the ground with your hips and pelvis slightly elevated, on a chair, wherever you may be. Allow your body to sink into the earth's embrace, to relax down. And take a couple of deep breaths, maybe even exhaling through an open mouth, emitting a sigh, a sound, anything that may come from the silence and will disappear back into the silence. Two more times. And then gently closing your lips, keeping your tongue behind the upper teeth. This will ensure that you don't clench your jaw, that your face is relaxed. And now I invite you to join me in this following movement. On the inhale, you're going to bring the palms of your hands over your eyes. And on the exhale, you're going to stroke down the face, down your neck, down your chest, down the side body, down your thighs, all the way down to your knees. That will be the exhale. And then the next inhale will bring your hands up and onto your eyes again. And then you trace the exhale down the front of your body. So let's try this one time together. So take a deep inhale and then place your hands over your eyes. Your eyes are closed, and then trace your exhale down the face, the neck, the chest, the body, side body, the torso, down your thighs all the way to your knees, and then inhaling, hands on your eyes, and then trace down the body on the exhale. And continue in this simple movement meditation. Staying completely aware of the touch of your fingers on your skin, on your clothing, any sensations you may have by doing so, allowing any thoughts you may have, possibly any judgments about your body, just letting them all be there, and you just continue with this simple movement. And whenever you notice yourself distracted, again bring your presence and all your attention back to this simple movement. Your fingers on your skin, on your clothing, the contours of your body, the sensation when, after the inhale, you place your palms on your eyes, the rhythm of your breath. And now after the next exhale, let your hands rest on your knees, the palms are facing down. And just remain here in pure and beautiful presence. For the next couple of minutes, I'll mind the time. And gently coming back, you can deepen your breath. And take another deep inhale, deep exhale through an open mouth, and delight in your own presence. Fall in love with your own self. Wishing you a wonderful, wonderful time. Until we meet again. May you be blessed, may you be held. May you remember your divinity.